quick little update on the overall market. So NASDAQ with a quick pullback, and my trades have not all been going according to plan. So I actually bought the dip, or tried to, on TQQQ. My trade is still open right now. It was actually caught within my live trading session. This is one of the things that I love about it, is that when you watch me trade live, you don't just get to see my good trades, you get to see some of the bad trades that I take. And so far on the day, I'm down $697. But a trade that I took that did go according to plan is my short position from the overall highs on General Motor to overall lows. I walked away with $8,200 on the day. So very excited to follow up with that and to see if it continues to sell off so I can, resume back to shorting it. But as of right now, overall NASDAQ market selling off, lower highs, lower lows. There is a lot of volatility that's being provided based off of the Tesla Cybertruck event. But other than that, we did have an important report that was released today, and I'm going to go ahead and break them down very quickly. So personal income and personal spending both came in as expected. PCE prices, PCE core came in really a little bit lower than what was expected, at least for the PCE prices overall. Came in at flat versus the expectation of a 0.1% increase. One thing that I want to bring up is initial claims and continuing claims. Initial claims are the people that are filing for unemployment for the first time. It just came in a little bit higher, meaning that more people are filing for unemployment, and the continuing claims, people who continue to file for unemployment, came in much higher than the week prior, something to take into consideration. Pending home sales came in lower than what was expected. So what this means is more people are buying houses than what was expected. They expected a drop of a 2.3% drop, but it was only a 1.5% drop. So it's really funny to me because just a couple of days ago, good news was good news, but now good news is bad news again. I just think the market sentiment might be changing, and I want to show you this very quickly. So not here to sugarcoat anything. I want to show you guys on the overall big picture chart, and really let's pay attention to the one that actually matters, and that's QQQ, which is the 1-for-1, right? We have not done this. I'm just making you aware. I don't care what you do, right? Your trade has no influence to my own trades, but I want to make you aware of this. This is why you're most likely watching this video. QQQ, since we started this rally, has not tested or really broken below the EMA line. This is the first time that it's actually testing the EMA. And remember, we are overbought. So if we break below this, the potential of this thing actually selling off now is quite high. So just something to take into consideration, that we are finally beginning to do something in pulling on back that we haven't done in the past 3 to 4 weeks. It's not that the market has to sell off. It's just now it's showing more signs of weakness than it has in the past 3 to 4 weeks. I'm just making you aware. You can decide to continue to hold. I truly do not care. Your trades have no influence to what I'm doing, just like my trades should have no influence to what you're doing. I just want you to be aware and not surprised that, oh, wow, it would have been useful to know that we finally now broke below the EMA line on the 4-hour time frame, something we have not done for the entire past 3 to 4 weeks. So with that being said, you might be like, Ricky, well, why are you trading TQQ? It's still the last trading day of the month. This month of November has been the best performing month for the NASDAQ market, and the market finds always any reason to try to rally. So I was going off of headline momentum. It looked oversold based off of the overall sell-off that we had this morning. And I saw that, okay, well, we could potentially begin to recover because NASDAQ market most likely is going to want to end strong. It doesn't need to be the case. I've been wrong many times. And as you can see on my TQQQ trade, I'm wrong right now. I'm down $1,400 on that specific trade. But fortunately, on my General Motors short, again, now I'm up $11,700. So I'm enjoying today. I'm trying to stay light, keep it tight. I'm going to close my short position on General Motors because, as you can see, it continues to find its support here. But I wanted you to be aware. The most important thing is I wanted you to understand why. And I think a lot of this has to do with that PCE report and what the Fed officials have recently said, that they might raise interest rates, which was not already factored in. But also on the 4-hour time frame where the NASDAQ market currently sits, and that it's doing something that it hasn't in the past 3 to 4 weeks. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best. I do want to remind you, there are 3 days left for our BMW and Tesla overlap giveaway. That means every order placed right now gets you 20x entries, and it's not going to get better than this. That means if you spend $1, you get 20 automatic entries for both to win both vehicles, right? So you get entered to this giveaway and you get entered to the Tesla giveaway as well. 2 different winners. With that being said, it ends on December 3rd. and all it takes is one lucky entry. Our previous winner for the GTR giveaway entered during the final week because it offers that 20x multiplier. So again, don't buy anything that you're not actually going to use or you're not actually going to wear. But if you want to buy one of the mystery boxes because you like the hoodies, the t-shirts, the mouse pads, all that stuff, or maybe you just want to buy an individual mouse pad or an individual hoodie or an individual tee, maybe a Wall Street Trading Journal, maybe aluminum art, every item, every order gets you entered for the giveaway. Okay, and all it takes is one lucky entry. It's shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link in the description down below. And I'm super excited to see who ends up walking away with the BMW M4 or $50,000 cash. So again, I do trade live every morning. I'm going to be trading live tomorrow right at market open. I hope to see you there. And that's going to be the second link in the description down below. And again, that is exclusive to my LPP team. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.